Today we're comparing Alpine Linux and Tiny Core Linux, two ultra-lightweight distros, but built very differently. Alpine is designed for security and container environments, so it's widely used in servers and Docker setups. Tiny Core, on the other hand, is all about minimalism and running a full desktop in under 100 MB. It's incredibly small, but requires more manual setup compared to Alpine. Alpine feels more practical for production use, while Tiny Core is more of a hobbyist or tinkerer's playground. So which wins? If you want stability in containers, go Alpine. If you love extreme minimalism and experimentation, Tiny Core takes it. Honestly, both are impressive in their own right. It just depends on your use case. I lean toward Alpine for anything serious, especially servers and containers. But Tiny Core is fascinating if you enjoy building from the ground up and learning how Linux works under the hood. Both distros prove that smaller can still be powerful and flexible ways. Let me know which one you prefer in the comments below.